Hello students. Today we will learn how to create the HTML tables into your spreadsheet. You know the HTML that contains the table tag, the row tag and the column tag. When you create these type of tags into a spreadsheet, what you have to do to combine them is you just going to press the formula that is concatenate. You just concatenate these cells and you get your output like this. This is the form of a table that you are getting. Now if you want to create the hyperlink or the link, you can say, for any of the text here, you just press ahref is equal to, you press here hash and you just close the braces. Now this is what you are getting here. This is the hyperlink created by the HTML anchor tag. Now when you're going to put this as your table or you concatenate them, it will give you the hyperlink of the date. This is a way how HTML works in your spreadsheet for giving the hyperlinks or for using some of the design classes, or you can also create some of the tables, some of the rows by using the HTML tags in the sheet. Thank you.